G'day guys, this is Carl at AllBrand Caravan Centre. Welcome back. What we're doing on this caravan today is we're looking at the aerial. So this customer's come to us and he's complained that he can't get any reception out of his TV. And so what we've done is we've just done a bit of an investigating, and through our investigations we've found that his coax cable, there's actually a joiner in it and it's actually rusted out. And this is kind of a common cause, but sometimes water can sometimes run along that cable and it will deteriorate those connections. So what we've done is we've replaced those connections. However, it didn't exactly fix that issue. Now, there can also be another joint inside the roof which can be another issue. So with this customer, we've advised him that he's probably going to have to replace his cable from his antenna to that joiner inside his bedside cupboard. So at this point, we've just bypassed all the wiring in the roof, and we found that we are getting a strong signal when bypassing that. So in that case, we are able to solve this issue for this customer. But look, if you guys have any concerns or any problems with your TV or your antenna, we certainly can be able to fix that for you, okay? So if you'd like, just give us a call or leave them in the comments below and we should be able to sort you out. Thanks.